Hey, Icky here. Thank you for joining me. On this part of the build, we're looking to add, or rather delete, the flat nose look on this Razor. The Razor is pretty cool looking, but I just wanted to increase the airflow and make it look a little bit meaner. So, on later models, I noticed that they have, much larger grill opening and everything like that. So we're going to make that happen. First, I wanted to look it over and kind of envision my final product and just get an idea on where I could, land supports and everything like that. Just basically render an idea in my head. Tried doing a line drawing, but it didn't seem to work out real well because you can do whatever you want on paper, but whether or not it's actually going to work in the real world, a whole different story. So I pulled the hood off of it, and I was kind of looking to see what I had behind it and where things could go without interfering with everything else. Next, I had to find something to use as the grill insert. So I dug around my messy garage and seen what I could do and didn't turn anything up. So then I turned my focus to Scamazon. Well, I found something that would kind of fit, a couple of different varieties I noticed, and I finally chose one that looked decent, and it would fit, and it was fairly affordable. The next part was laying it all out. So I had a template, and I designed it all up. Tried to add some ears to it so I can mount it. Unfortunately, the ABS was just a little too soft for my liking. The tabs kind of pulled out and it kept falling out of the bezel, so I decided I gotta look at this from another angle. So I decided to use screws to fix it. So I created a little backing plate out of a little scrap of sheet metal I had laying around and made a top and a bottom for it. It worked out pretty damn good. Only time will tell about how durable it actually is, but I think it looks 100 times better, and I'm hoping to see a little bit better performance when I'm out cruising around. It definitely heated up pretty quickly in the winter. I mean, it was bitter cold out, but for the most part, didn't really ever get to over temp. But we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted.